Hello everyone. In this video, we will proceed with the last application we have created. So this is the complete application and we have to develop like similar. So there are 4 categories. On clicking first one, it's navigating us to subcategory. Means if I am clicking Indian restaurant and these are the restaurant in a particular location and all are Indian restaurant type. Okay, so for Greek there are also some restaurants. So let's see the location, a restaurant location. So I'm clicking here and it will send us to map activity. Okay, so this is the exact location of restaurant, Agro Greek Plaza. So you can see we are at exact location. This is the Agro Greek and we are at exact location. So this is map data and this is our marker. This red one is our marker and this is the Google data. So and that means we have added the correct location. Okay. So this way we will create as we have already completed this. Now we will work on this one like subcategory and after that we will work on map. Okay, so we have to create a API key for this map and yeah, we will do it step by step. So this is the location of this restaurant and you can see we are at exact location. See, we are at exact location. Okay, then let's proceed with this application. So we are having 4 restaurants. Okay, so let's make it bold, the text inside buttons. So text style, you have to use text style for that and it will be bold. So let's copy this and paste for every button. Okay, let's change its color. uh, its color, let's change its color, background tint and let's provide a good color. So we can give this color and for black we will give okay, this looking better now. Okay, so now after this we will create new activity for subcategory of all these restaurants, all these categories. Okay, so here we will create activity and we will create empty activity. Okay, Okay, now here and okay, so it's restaurant activity, and finish this. So how to navigate to a restaurant activity? So what will we do? We will give ID to each of card view, or we can do for buttons. So ID button uh, Italian. Similarly, button. So this way we can uniquely identify a button. So each and every ID should be unique. Okay. So we have already given the IDs to all of these buttons. So now let's map buttons to XML. Okay, so this way we can map this button with XML button. So we will make operation on this button now. So it will work for this button, this one. Okay. So what will we do here? We will make button Italian dot set on click listener, and this is the click listener for click listener method for this button. So means by doing this we will be able to make event for generate event for this button. So what will we do? We will open new screen. So for that we have to use intent property of intent property of Android and Java or Android, and this will be the context of this class where we are writing this, and this will be the context of next screen where we want to go. Okay, now start activity means open activity, and here we will pass what? We will pass this all thing which is stored inside this, passed it here, and now run. So is the subcategory screen. Okay, so here we have to we have to set many restaurants of Italian type. Okay, so as we are clicking on Italian restaurant, it's opening another screen, but we haven't work for this one. So, and these are not opening because we haven't make any event for these buttons. Okay, so on clicking it, we are navigated to this one. So this is our let's copy the code from here and paste it here, and this is the category type. So we will pass category name from here. So how to pass the category name? Here what we will do, we'll pass it like I dot put extra. Okay, and we'll send a category name from here. Okay, so what we can do, we can create a method for this. Let's create a method. Go some category. Okay, right, and we will pass here our category name, category. Okay, and category, here we will create a key category and the real category name. Okay, so what we will do here, we will call this and we will pass our category name. So our category name is Italian. Okay, and close this. Now what, how to receive this category name in this activity? So for that we have to create a string variable and get intent dot get string. Okay, and the key here. Okay, now see what we want to set it inside this. So for that, first of all we have to match it with XML. Find its view inside XML. Okay, so what the, okay, its name is text view, right? So text view dot set text, we want to set category name here. Okay, so it's category plus Italian. Here we will write restaurants list. Okay, so this is name and category name, and this is the hard coded text. So we have define every widget like this before making any implementation on that widget. So now you can see I'm clicking on Italian restaurant and you can see Italian restaurant list. Similarly for other four. So here button and the last one is okay. So what we will do, copy and paste. That's why I have created method to make it very simple, so we don't need to use so many lines of codes by creating a simple method. You can see. Okay, now we will create category in next video.